also manually adding posts from WordPress to Instagram, then you are wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can automate WordPress with Instagram. And now by using this automation you can grow your reach, as whenever you will create a new post over your WordPress, that post will be automatically instantly added to your Instagram, and now you don't have to manually create posts again and again, and this is going to save you a lot of time and help you to grow your business reach using these social media sites. So right here I'm going to create a new post over my WordPress, and I will show you the real-time working of this automation which I have built in by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. So right here I'm going to create this post having the title how to build a growth mindset, and here I have provided the description of the post, and here you can check out that I have added this particular image to my post. Now let's publish this post and check out whether we are receiving this post over our Instagram account or not. And here you can see that my post has been successfully published. Now let's move on towards my Instagram account to check whether we are receiving this response or this post over there too or not. So here I'm landed to my Instagram account where I'm going to refresh this page, and right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this post, and here you can check out the title of my post over here, and here we are getting the hyperlink of the post too. So now you have seen, as soon as I have created a new WordPress post, that post is automatically added to my Instagram account. So you can also create this automation if you want to use social media sites to grow your business, and Pabbly Connect is going to automate your social media sites too. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing automation. So for that, let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating our automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger, and now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a WordPress post is created. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as WordPress, but you can select the trigger application according to the workflow you are creating. So here I'm going to select this application. Now let's select the app event as new post published. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between WordPress and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my WordPress account. So right here I'm on my WordPress account where on the sidebar you will be getting this option for plugins. So here I'm going to add a plugin, so I'm going to just select this add plugin, and here I'm going to search for a plugin, that is WP Webhooks. So here I'm going to search for it, and here you can see that this plugin is already installed. So by using this plugin I'm going to add the webhook URL. So now on the settings you can see we are getting this option for WP Webhooks, which you have to select. So make sure to firstly install this webhook, and here I'm landed to this page where you just have to select this send data, and here I'm landed to this page where I'm going to select my WordPress trigger as post created. Means my WordPress should be initiated as a new post is created, and now in this particular particular trigger, I'm going to add my webbook URL. So I have selected this button of add webbook, and here I'm going to provide my webbook name as my Instagram webbooks, and here I'm going to enter the webbook URL which I have recently received. Now we just have to click over this add for post create, and here you can see that our webbook has been successfully added. Now I'm going to select the three dots of this webbook, and here I'm going to select this settings, and here again I'm going to select my trigger as post and the status as published. Means this particular trigger should be initiated as soon as a post is published. Now we just have to click over the save settings, and here my settings has been saved successfully. Now as I will create a new post, the data will be automatically captured by the Pabbly Connect, and here you can see in my Pabbly Connect the status is changed to waiting for webbook response. Now let's create a new post and provide the webbook response. So here I'm going to add a new post, so I have selected this add post button, and here I'm landed to this page where I'm going to provide my post title and the post description too. So here I have provided the title as how to stay focused in a distracted world, and here I have provided the content as well. Now I'm going to add an image to this post, so I'm going to just select this set featured image, and now let's say I'm going to upload a new file, so I have selected it. Now let's select the file. So here on my picture section you can see this image having the name post, so I'm going to upload it, and now I'm going to just insert it to my post. So I'm going to select this button of set featured image, and here you can see that my image has been successfully inserted with this post. Now let's publish this post by simply selecting this publish button, and as I have selected this publish button, my post is successfully published. Now let me show you the post which I have created by using this hyperlink, and here you can see this is the post which I have recently created. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data of this particular post over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this response, that is response say 31 seconds ago, and here you can check out all the details of the post which I have recently made over my WordPress account, and here you can check out the same title of the post, and here you can also check out the hyperlink of the post which I have created, and this is the URL of the image which I have recently added in my WordPress post. So now as we have received the response, this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now as you will make a new post over your WordPress account, the data will be automatically captured by the Pabbly Connect, and now by using this response we are going to create an automated post in Instagram, so that you don't have to manually add your WordPress post to Instagram. It will be automatically added. So for that I'm going to use the second principle of Pabbly Connect, that is action app. So here I'm going to just click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to search for Instagram for business. So here I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it. Now let's select the app event as create and publish photo. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this button of add new connection. Now let's click over this button, that is connect with Instagram for business, and now here I have to select my Facebook account connected with my Instagram account, so I'm going to just select it. So make sure to firstly log in your Facebook account connected with your Instagram account, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and here I'm getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the Instagram account to use. So here I have connected only one Instagram account with my Facebook, so I have selected it, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering the photo URL. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the photo URL or copy or paste over here, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually copy paste the data or type the data manually, and that method is mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the photo URL from the response which I'm receiving from WordPress, as this is my previous application, and the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application, that is WordPress. So from the response of the WordPress I'm going to map the photo URL. And now we are getting this field for entering the caption. So on the caption, I'm going to map the title of my WordPress post. So now let me search for the title, and here you can see that we are getting the title which I have entered. And now I'm going to map the link or the URL of the WordPress post. So now let's map it. So after this line, I'm going to map the URL of my WordPress post. So here you can see that we are getting the hyperlink of the post which I'm going to map. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single response received on your WordPress. Means as soon as you will create a new post, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect and an automated post will be generated in your Instagram account. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And now let's wait this response to be sent to our Instagram for business. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a post might be created in our Instagram account. So now let's move on towards my Instagram account to check it. So right here I'm on my Instagram account where I'm going to refresh this page. And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this post, and here you can check out that I'm getting the title and the URL of my WordPress post too. So now you can also create an automation like this for any business you are running, whether it's any service-based business or any online business, because this automation is going to help you to grow your reach by automating your social media sites. And now as soon as you will create a new WordPress post, it will be automatically added to your Instagram for business. And now you don't have to manually create the post again and again, because this automation is going to do so, and this is going to be very beneficial for your business, because nowadays social media sites are the best way to grow your business. So now you can also create an automation like this by just using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT, which is also mentioned in the description, for getting heavy discounts on Pabbly purchase. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.